Hey guys, Luke here. I just got my controller, and I opened it, but I didn't look at it yet. So it's from the controller shop. So that's the controller. Just see what else is that to give. Just more of that. Okay. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you would. Ooh, that looks good. If you follow me on Instagram, you should know what it looks like. I just want to see it before I show you guys. Yeah, so all the rest of the stuff out. Controller shot, Xbox thing. Okay, so there's my controller. Has my name on it. I got green joysticks. I didn't put anything on the back, but that doesn't really matter to me. Let's see. Yeah, but that's pretty much my controller. I like it a lot. If you like it, leave a like, and peace.